A chemical property is any characteristic that is associated with a chemical reaction. For instance, we can categorise materials by their flammability. This is a chemical property because burning, or combustion, is a chemical reaction. Put simply, the chemical properties of an element describe how it changes or reacts with other substances. In this lesson, we will investigate the chemical properties of metals, nonmetals, and metalloids, including their readiness to gain or lose electrons, the types of bonds formed, and reactivity. There are some key definitions that we should revise before continuing further. The valence shell is the outermost shell of an atom. This is important because the chemical properties of an element mainly depend on the number of protons in the nucleus and the number of valence electrons. We can see this principle in action through the octet rule. It states that atoms usually try to gain electrons until they have a full valence shell, or lose electrons until their valence shell is completely empty. Consequently, when atoms participate in chemical reactions, they typically aim to have 0 or 8 valence electrons.